Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, July 21st. It is 8:26 a.m. and the market will be opening in 3 minutes. And we have already went ahead and marked the overnight high right there, the blue line, and the overnight low right there. Overall condition of the market currently is trading above the VWAP. VWAP is right here. When we expand the chart, what we see that the 9 EMA is above the 21 EMA, and when we get the bigger story on the 30-minute chart, we see that there's been an uphill trend since about 5:30 Monday. So since yesterday, it's been very bullish. Okay, now we go back to the 1-minute chart, and we'll also go to the performance stats. Just for a recap and transparency, I still have the 3 accounts. Balances at minus 186. I have about 800 drawdown. Looks like, yeah, 800 drawdown. Overall, my trade win percentage is 75%, 15 wins, 5 losses, but those 5 losses came on really bad days. 2 here, about 3 here. So everything else was just positive, right? So this is why being discipline matters so much, because even though you have a really good week, 1 bad day, 2 bad days can really kill it. It's really this one day. If this day didn't happen, let's just cancel this day out, our balance would be at plus 1,000. And say if we made 200 here, our balance would be at like plus 1,200, 1,300. So no one to stop. Yesterday we did 224 on 3 trades, 3 longs actually, all scalps, and we got them. And today, again, we're not going to be trading minis. We're going to be trading the MNQ, which is the micros, MNQ, and 5, anywhere between 1 and 5 contracts. If I need to add 5 to make it 1 mini, we can, but I got to be super confident. And look at this. We are touching the overnight high, and I wonder if it's going to break through. So let's go to the 1-minute chart and see what is going on here. And the market opens in about a minute. Remember, a couple things I like to always repeat to myself before I start my trading day is slowly is the fastest way to get to where you want to be. You know what's better? Missing a trade versus blowing your account. If you miss a trade, another will come. I'm just going to take really good trades today. I'm going to be patient and take good trades, and hesitation is the worst crime. Okay. Also, I also say to myself, trade should always be big win, small win, break even, or small loss, never a big loss. Discipline, risk management. Your edge comes from being reactive, not predictive. Let the price tell you where it's going to go. You don't need to predict anything in trading. You just need to react, and that's why hesitation is the worst crime. When you hesitate, you stall. When you stall, you miss a trade. When you miss a trade, you tilt. So 20 minutes, let's put in that work. Make sure our volume is off because I don't want to hear that order filled stuff. Our brightness is on. Let's see what the first candle does here. I actually think if it pushes down here, to be honest, we can probably scalp for a buy, but let's just see what happens, okay? Because I do think, no, I don't hesitate. If I think it, let's just do it. If it pushes down, I'm going to scalp for a buy, I think. Let's just wait, actually. Let's just wait for the first candle to close. Let's see if it closes above or below the overnight high. Okay, closed below the overnight high, and it closed below the green EMA, the 9 EMA. So let's just see what the second candle does here. Not much conviction either way, right? And we don't want to force our hand, so we wait. If it closes below the 21 EMA, well, I think it will. It's already past the Bollinger Band on the bottom, so where's the VWAP? VWAP is right there, slowly approaching it. Quite far away still, but we have to see how it reacts over here. Might just continue to drop, to be honest, and that's the case. We're gonna just sell and just watch it drop. Okay, it looks like it will be dropping still, so I'm gonna go down to 3 contracts and put in a sell on a pullback. Ready, wait for a pullback. I'm gonna sell right there. Just gonna hold this for a bit, see how it reacts. If it pushes down still, I think it will. Maybe not. Maybe we can get out of this trade or just hold it for a little bit longer. I risk about 150 on this trade, 200. There's the conviction. And honestly, like, even if we can take a scalp for like 50 to 70, that's good enough. You know, a couple scalps and we're good. Remember, we normally trade minis, so if this was a mini, this would have been like a big trade already. But let's just keep watching here because we're not gonna act prematurely. Yeah, that's good. I'll take a $32 scalp. That is fine. So we made 32 bucks there. That's okay. Now we wait. I think we could have made a lot more, see? But that's okay. Wait for a pullback and strike again. Right there. Get that. Beautiful. Played that pullback to perfection. Now I'll just wait again. Actually, want to see how this candle closes. We got 46 seconds left on this candle. Let's see how it closes. What we did here, we sold it here and we scalped that. So played the pullback to perfection. That was great. So this one looks like it's going to close green. Okay, so if it pushes up, we can play another pullback. Right there. Play that, boom. 115. Beautiful. You gotta be quick. You gotta be quick. If you miss it, you're gonna screw yourself, right? So as it's pushing up, right, it's gonna challenge the 9 EMA here. Let's see what happens here. If it bounces, is the 9 EMA gonna act as a resistance level right here? If it breaks through, it's probably just gonna continue going up, to be honest. And if it breaks both EMAs, then yeah, see that? So what we got here? So we got the flush down and then potentially a flush up. Okay. Broke the overnight high. Let's see how this candle closes, very important. VWAP is right there still. Let's refresh it. Yeah, right there. Let's see how this candle closes here. Closes in 9 seconds. Is it going to close above or below? Okay, if it pushes down, we can probably buy, to be honest. Depends where it pushes down to. Unless it just pushes down, but we can play a pullback. See, we could have bought there. We would have hit that perfectly, but it's okay. Let's wait for it to push back down around here for a buy. Okay, we can buy there. Remember, we don't want to lose too much on a trade. If we feel like it's not going our way, we can always exit out and re-enter a different trade. It's not the end of the world. We're small. We're risking small enough. Okay, there it is. Come on. There it is. Come on. I don't like this too. Let's take that. 130. Perfect. Okay. So all our trades are winning trades today. So let's just see the pattern so far. 830 opens up, flushes down to the Bollinger Band, acts as a support level, bounces back up, hits the overnight high, bounces back down. Now it's going to retest it and see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Remember, this is all with micros, right? I'm not messing with minis for now because minis, we had that bad day and it kind of messed us up. So micros are all good. What is it gonna do here? Is it gonna break through or is it gonna go down? Okay, it broke through. It hit this. It hit as high as here before, right here. Could be another key level there. I don't like to mark too many things on my chart because then it gets overcomplicated for me. I'm more of a patterns guy and a chart experience type guy. I've seen patterns, lots of chart time over the last 2 years, every single day for multiple hours. So just trust ourselves. Oh, put a big stretch there. Trust ourselves, trust our instinct, things like that. Okay, what's going on here? So touch the overnight high, bouncing off. Overall trend of the market is still uptrend, so if it pushes down, we can probably buy because there is conviction on the bullish side. Let's just see what happens here though. If it goes down here, how low can it go? Can it pass these? If it passes these, it might just continue dropping. But let's see here. See, past those, past the EMAs, continue dropping, right? Maybe you'll get to about here and come back up. Let's see here. See right here, we can probably scalp, do a buy for a scalp if it pushes down a little bit more. And then that would be it. See, we could have scalped it for about 80, 50 bucks. If it pushes down, we're gonna buy, push down so we can get a good spot here. Oh, see that? That would have been a sick buy. That would have been a really cool buy. But let's just wait till this candle closes now because we got 5 seconds left. We just want to see what goes on here. Okay. It's interesting. Here's a support level right here. Okay, let's just see if it hits this and goes back or if it continues going down, if it passes the Bollinger Band, if it makes its way towards the VWAP, which is still stationed right here. Right, the pattern has been pretty consistent so far, down, up, choppy, down. So it might bounce off to here, go back up. Let us see what progresses here. What did we say, right? We said it's going to come here, touch, and then bounce back. Exactly what it's doing. If it passes the EMAs, it will continue going up. This is probably a good spot to buy, to be honest, right there. Scalp that for a quick whatever. Boom. I don't know if we made any money there, but that's okay. I think we made a couple dollars, right? $2 or something. This is an important candle right here because this is the level right here, the support level. Let's see if it bounces off that or not. Let's see. Remember, I have no goals in mind. We just take good trades, right? Oh, see, there you go. See, support, boom. There's a green. Passes that, it's going to continue to fly up. So any pullback we buy right there, that's a good one. And watch, go up. If it shoots up, we scalp. Boom, 173, just like that. Called it, baby. And hey, that's a good day for me, man. 173 is a good day. We're gonna go ahead and lock out because what's the point of over trading? We made some solid trades today. We'll recap right away. We sniped the market really well. We did. Our win percentage is now at 80%. We had 6 trades today, all winning trades. Okay, we took 6 trades. They were all positive winning trades. Look at 49, 19, 40, 49, 36, and that's how we do it. And that's it. If you guys like what I'm doing here, if you guys understand what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe on my YouTube, and let's grow this community together. I want to help you get payouts. I want to help you be successful. I want your charts to start looking like this, minus these 2 shitty days. But overall, I need you guys to learn discipline. I need you guys to progress and get better every single day. And that's the goal of this channel and the goal for Futures Made Easy and me. My name is Rosh. We'll see you guys tomorrow.